Coco.
Anyways, so welcome back to my channel. Why do I feel like you guys are so close? There you go. So what you guys hear is my fan. It's too hot, so I'm not trying to turn it off. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. I'm so crazy, y'all. I'm just happy. Anyways, so I decided that I wanted to do a DIY desk, chair, and mirror set. I've been really wanting a white desk, not the generic mom one from IKEA that everybody has, but I did want a white desk, a nice chair, and a mirror. So I'm going to show you what the items look like before I spray paint them. And today I am only going to be spray painting the mirror because it's like 90 something degrees outside. Horrible lighting. Yeah, it's 90 something degrees outside and I don't feel like standing outside for that long to do anything. So I don't know, it looks weird from that angle how my hair is. Anyways, so I'm just gonna do the mirror and maybe the chair. So come on along with me, guys. Yo, I'm just really happy. Alright, so I bought this mirror. It's a pretty large mirror. It's all wood, as you can see. I know, bad lighting. It is what it is. So I'm gonna bring it outside and spray paint it. This should be like the easiest part of the project that I have to do. And I'm gonna show you what else I bought. So I bought this chair. Alright. I bought this chair. Let me see if I can turn on the light. Yes. See, so you see how this wooden mirror is? It's old, it's pretty large. I'm very excited about it because I'm gonna put flowers all around the trim and I'm gonna put an LED light around it. And then so I bought this chair. Very simple chair. Very sturdy chair too. And then don't mind the mess. It's whatever. It is a desk, so I was just utilizing it with random stuff. So this is the desk. This is like the back of the desk, and it expands. You can pull it out, take these legs out from the middle and put it underneath, and then you have a versatile desk that can turn into a dining table. So today I really just might do the chair and the mirror, and then my man will do the desk because I just don't have that type of energy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys outside. Hold on. So I'm outside. I don't know why it looks like this. Okay, I'm outside and I have my mirror out here. If you guys can see it. And I bought this sheet from Home Depot, but you can use anything honestly, but this is not my property and I don't want to get paint on it, so there you go. So I bought this type of paint. It's Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2 times paint and primer. Guys, look at that. I'm afraid that's gonna happen once I paint. So I'm gonna have to put some stuff down. So it's gloss white, and let's see what it says. Let's see what it says. Directions. Painting conditions. Ah, okay. There's like mad words.